Today, I'm going to show you a very simple method to rewrite viral YouTube scripts using AI. First, go to YouTube and open a viral video in your niche. Once the video is open, click on the transcript option. This will show you the entire spoken text of the video. Now, simply copy the full transcript. This will be the base content that we will use to create our new script. Once the transcript is copied, the next step is to bring it into ChatGPT. Now open ChatGPT and paste the transcript here. After pasting the transcript, we add a rewriting prompt. This prompt tells ChatGPT to rewrite the script instead of copying it directly. I've placed this prompt in the description of this video so you can easily copy and use it for your own scripts. Now, there's one more important step that makes the script much better. Now go to the Personalization or Custom Instructions section. Here, we paste another prompt. This prompt tells ChatGPT how we want the script to be written. For example, the storytelling style, the tone of the script, and the type of YouTube channel. Once this is set, ChatGPT understands how to rewrite the script in a much more natural and engaging way. Now, when we generate the response, you can see that ChatGPT rewrites the entire script. The main idea stays the same, but the wording, storytelling, and structure become completely new. This makes it very easy to create scripts for your own videos without starting from zero. So that's the simple method I personally use to rewrite viral scripts using ChatGPT. If you want the prompts used in this video, you can find both of them in the description below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more simple tips about YouTube and AI tools.